Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes Toca Boca. Start with simple ingredients, whisk to a smooth batter, and cook on a medium pan with light oil. Flip when bubbles appear and edges set, then plate with playful toppings like fruit or syrup for pretend play. Use small portions, involve children in safe steps, and praise attempts to keep the activity fun and engaging. Gather basic ingredients before you begin so the process stays smooth and kid-centered. Measure flour, milk, and egg, then whisk until the batter is silky and pourable. Optional mix-ins like mashed banana or cocoa create fun flavors without fuss. Prepare small plates of toppings for imaginative plating, and keep wet wipes handy for easy cleanup. This keeps the activity playful, safe, and stress-free for caregivers and kids alike. Preheat your pan to medium so pancakes cook evenly and brown nicely without burning. Pour small rounds of batter for toddler-sized pancakes that are easy to flip and share. Watch for bubbles and lightly browned edges as your cue to turn each cake. Let pancakes cool a little before kids handle them, and use simple, soft toppings to reduce choking risk while keeping the activity fun and interactive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.